Yeah, hi everyone. Good morning. Am I audible? In today class, we are going to discuss about order guide. Okay. Order guide also very important concept. From the service catalog, catalog item, record producer, and order guide. These three are very important concepts. Okay. So from the order guide, we can submit a multiple requests at a time. Okay. We want to submit multiple requests within single order. So we have to use the order guide. So you can see the docs definition as well. Order guide submits a single service catalog request that generates a several items. Order guide submits a single service catalog request that generates several items. Okay, I'm just copying this definition here. Here you can see. For example, new employee hire order guide can contain several items that new employees commonly needed, such as business cards, computer, cell phone. After selecting this order guide, the customer can then provide the information about the new employee, including the location, job title. The order guide then submits an order for a catalog item like business cards based upon the details we provided. So I'm also copying this example. So basically, if we want to order something, multiple things, okay, we need to use the order guide. So we can see this new employee hire order guidelines. Okay, what is the navigation? The service under service catalog, catalog definition. Under catalog definition, we have order guides. Okay, this is the tagline. SC underscore cat underscore item underscore guide. GUID. So first of all, we can submit employees center order guide. Okay, new employee hire order guide. So I'm just closing it. You can type order guides here. Yes, under service catalog, we have catalog definition. Under catalog definition, hard. So here I'm opening the new hire order guide. Mhm. Try it. So here, what group this person is going to join? I am filling all the details. Okay, ID. What office they will report to? Maybe I'm selecting Hyderabad office. Okay, choose options. You can see when we select, when we click on choose options, it will give the multiple catalog items. Here, standard laptop is one catalog item. Standard 24/7 24-inch monitor is one catalog item. New email account is one catalog item. Corporate VPN, desk setup. These all are the different catalog items. Okay. So standard, even if you click on extra also, it will go for the next catalog items. You can see new email account. Here I'm giving some sample mail. Okay. So finally I'm checking out. You can see. So these many items we are submitting. You can see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. I'm just doing the final checkout. It will submit a request. Within that request, we have multiple RITMs. You can see. So if we go to the request, generally in the catalog item, so you have seen one request contains the one RITM only. But here you can see one request contains the multiple RITMs. Okay. Even here it went for the approval as well within the request level because yeah, team. So if the order value is more than $1,000, order value is more than $1,000. Okay, it went for the manager approval. It went for the manager approval. So here you can see it went for Eric approval. Approve it. Yeah, it is approved and will process with the RITMs. Okay, one by one. And each RITM having the separate workflow stream. Okay, these are the catalog items we have submitted with the order guide. Okay, so here we can note down about the few definitions. First one is rule base. Rule base is used to add catalog items to order guide based upon the condition. Rule base is used to add catalog items to order guide. Okay, based upon the condition. So if you want to assign catalog items to the order guide, we have rule base. And like that, we have two more definitions within this. We can note down. cascade variable, CASCAD, cascade variable. In interviews, they will ask this question, very important. What is cascade variable? So basically, cascade variable pass the information from the initial order guide form to the catalog items. We have same variable name. For example, in the initial order guide form, we have requested for. Okay. Maybe within that order guide, we have three catalog items. Each catalog items contains the requested for. We make cascade variable true, it will pass the this requested for information to the other catalog items if the backend name is same. Okay. We can note down the definition of cascade variable. You can cascade checkbox to select whether the variables use cascade, which passes their values to the ordered items. If this checkbox is cleared, variable information entered in the order guide is not passed on to the ordered items. Okay. If we check box to select whether the variables use cascade, which passes their values to the ordered items. If this checkbox is clear, variable information entered in the order guide is not passed on the ordered items. Okay. Yeah, if you see practically, you may understand. Okay. Next, two step. Yeah, two step is like while submitting the order guide, it has shown two screens as two checkouts. Okay. So if we make two step true, it will exclude the final checkout. Okay. Once we done the checkout, it will submit the item. It won't ask for add, edit, something like that. Okay. So note down about the two step definition as well. So you can see two-step checkbox to enable two-step ordering instead of default three-step ordering, omitting the final step. The two-step ordering, select checkout, submit the request immediately, then displays the ordered confirmation screen. This is not applicable for the service portal. Okay. So basically, if you click on checkout, finally it will submit the item. Okay. If we make two-step is true, otherwise it will show one extra screen. You can see checkbox to enable two-step ordering instead of the default three-step ordering, omitting the final step. With the two-step ordering, selecting checkout submits the request immediately, then display the order confirmation screen. This is not applicable to the service portal. Okay, this functionality is not applicable to service portal. Yeah, this also we can see. Okay. Now I'm going to create a new order guide. Okay. I may copy this URL. Copy. Closing all the tabs. Order guides. I'm saying my first order guide. My so here you can see we have two step, we have cascade waves. I may explain you later in today class itself. Catalog. I may keeping this as services. Okay. My first order guide. Submitting the order guide. Save. Scroll down. So here I may creating the variables. Okay. New variable. Order is 100. Here I may take references. Here I'm taking reference variable. So requester, I'm saying requester. Okay. So here I'm using user table. You can come to the question. Yeah, we can keep requester. I'm submitting it. I'm going to create a new variable requester for this is also a reference variable. Order I'm giving 200. Test specification. For example, here I'm taking user. Okay. User related fields. Next variable. Next variable I will take user 300. That also I'm taking reference. Okay. My question name is users. Okay. User. Submitting it. Next, I will create a three more variables. Okay. Here I'm taking label. Please select the following items. 400. Submit. 500 I'm taking. Checkbox variable type I will take. Okay. Checkbox. I can say, yeah, user. You know, right? This is a catalog item. Okay. Add user to group. Say, like that, I'm taking one variable. Add user to group. So, I'm taking new variable. Sunrise. I can check box. Yeah, 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 I have created few variables on the order get form. Okay. So now I'm going to add user to you group server request catalog items to this order guide. If you scroll down here, we have rule base. You can come to the rule base. What is rule base? Rule base is used to add catalog items to the order guide based upon the condition. So I'm going to rule base. I will add two catalog items. Add user to group is true, I think. So if add user to group is true. Then include item, add user to group. Submit. Next. Okay. I have added server request. Now you can try it. Yeah, we have completed order get simply. Okay. So we have created few variables in order guide and we have added two catalog items to this order guide. You can click on try it. So requester, I'm saying ng user. Requester for also I'm saying ng user. For example, user also I'm saying ng user. Okay. So I want these two items. I'm just selecting these two items. Choose option. You can add user to group showing. You may select group here, but it is not passing any value from the describe needs form. Okay, you can see that nothing it is passing. If you go to the server request, yeah, it is taking default values as system administrator, but it is not passing from the describe needs. If we want to pass information from the describe needs, we have to make cascade variable true. Now you can come to the order guides. I go to my first order guide. So you make cascade variable true now, then we will find out the difference. Saving it. Try it. Okay. So here I'm selecting something like Anji user. Here I'm selecting Anji user. So I'm selecting Anji user. Correct. I want both the items in this order guide. Select yes. Choose options. Now tell me what's the difference you found. So you can see it is cascaded. User variable is cascaded. Maybe I can go to the next catalog item. So you can see requester is cascaded, requester for also cascaded. It is copied from the initial order get form. Got it, everyone? How cascade variable works? Is everybody got it? How cascade variable works? Okay. Yes. And so for example, now again I'm going to describe needs. I'm modifying from Anji user to Anusha user. Again, I'm coming to this catalog. It will not work. Only one time it will accept. Okay. So in the initial order guide form, if we are entering something, it will pass to the catalog item. If we are planning to go again and we are trying to change, it will not accept. Okay, team, got it, everyone? So next, we can submit this catalog item. Sorry, we can submit this order guide. Group and selecting service administration. Next tab, new tab. So here also you can fill all mandatory fields, operating system, Linux. Server type is called server S. Tangent. Check out. So guys, here it is showing some extra screen. I do if you don't want this screen, if you don't want this screen, you have to keep two-step is true. For example, I'm making two-step is true. My first starter guide. Here you can see I'm making two-step is true. Saving it. So we have made two-step true. Okay, saving it. Now you can try it. I'm just closing this window. Try it. Yeah, requester. Maybe yeah, maybe I'm selecting again user. Here also user. User also user. Add user to group. So here you can see here I'm selecting Servicenow administration. Next tab. I'm going to next tab. So you can so cascaded and data is cascaded and physical operating system is VMware. So here I'm making 10 GB. TMZ server no. If we check out this, it will directly submit the item. Okay, it will not show that extra screen. Now you can say just click on the checkout. You can see it is ordered. Within the request, we have multiple RITs. Okay. This is about order guide. If you have any queries, I may pause for one or 2 minutes. Please let me know. Any queries here? You know? Yeah, I will keep on hold for 1 minute, team. A little bit feeling sleepy. I just take breath outside and come back. Okay. So, any queries, team? Tell me. Jaya, Lata, Victoria. Very, very important concept. So, mostly, what is the difference between order guide and catalog item? This question will come in interview. What is cascade variable? Yeah, these two questions are very, very important. Yes. Next, I'm going to integrations. Okay, if you don't have any queries. Integrations. Integration. What is integration? Integration is a exchanging data between two systems. Is a data two systems. Integration is a exchanging of data between two systems or applications. What are the types of integrations available? So tell me, if anybody knows, what are the types of integrations we have? Import sets. So we are exchanging data right from Excel sheet to Servicenow instance, CSV to Servicenow instance, from other Servicenow instance to our Servicenow instance. Yeah, here two applications are involving. Okay. Second one, inbound email action. So you can see. So here two systems are acting. One is uh inbound system and one is our Servicenow instance. Okay. Third one is web service. Third one is web service. So we can note down. So these two concepts we already discussed. Okay. We may discuss about web services. Okay. You can check for the docs definitions. So you can say ServiceNow integrates with many third-party applications and data sources. ServiceNow integrates with many third-party applications and data sources. The most common integrations are with CMDB, incident management, problem management, change management, user administration, single sign-on. A variety of techniques can be used, most notably web services, JDBC, LDAP, Excel, CSV, and email, as well as any industry standard technologies that uses SOAP, REST, WSDL. Additionally, API can API and command line integrations can be done using the mid server. ServiceNow has performed the following integrations with enterprise systems and platforms. You can say technologies. We have integration between ServiceNow instances. We don't require all this information. Up to here, you cannot copy. So here I'm noting down this definition. Okay. Hmm. Next, I'm copying this URL. This definition is fine. Now we can go with web services. Okay. You can note down the definition of web services. Integrations options. Wait. So you can say HTTP-based web services allow diverse applications to talk each other. ServiceNow supports both inbound and outbound web services. Okay. HTTP-based web services allow diverse applications to talk each other. And ServiceNow supports both inbound and outbound integrations. Just copying this definition. Copy. Service. Types of web services. Inbound integration. Second one is outbound integration. Okay. So I'm also copying this URL. Copy. So what are the examples for inbound integration? You can note down. REST API Explorer, scripted REST APIs. Okay. REST API Explorer, scripted REST APIs, and outbound integrations. SOAP message, REST message. So API SOAP message. Okay. SOAP message and REST message. These are the outbound integration examples. So here we have some terminologies, right? You can note down HTTP, REST, SOAP, API, WSDL. HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. Hypertext. REST stands for Representational State Transfer Protocol. Representational State Transfer Protocol. Okay. So, Simple Object Access Protocol. API, Application Programming Interface. WSL, Web Services Description Language. Okay. So, HTTP stands for Hypertext Transfer Protocol. REST stands for Representational State Transfer Protocol. SOAP stands for Simple Object Access Protocol. API stands for Application Programming Interface. WSDL stands for Web Services Description Language. Okay, these are the few abbreviations. Next. Within the REST architecture, we have different methods, HTTP methods. We can note down about HTTP method, HTTP methods. I can say get, post, put, patch, delete. So these are the different HTTP methods we are having. Get stands for get what will do, retrieve the data. Post stands for create a data. Put stands for update. Patch stands for modify the specified columns in a record. Delete, delete is used to delete the data. Okay. In interviews, they will ask one question here. Okay. What is the difference between put and patch?